like, it's just my brother.
Our son is out there. He's only 7 Actually, there's lots of kids that are 17. Because a lot of them do it their junior year of high school.
Yeah, that's what my brother was telling me. He said that they've got some that are still in high school. I don't know why I was saying something yesterday.
You turn it off. I turned it off for you.
Please be seated. Competence and commitment are the hallmarks of professionalism. The soldiers and drill sergeants coming forward will be recognized for their excellence in training and duty performance and serve as examples to all. Passing the reviewing stand is the Commander of Troops, Major Gregory R. Shepard, and the battalion staff. The 282nd Army Band, commanded by Chief Warrant Officer 3, George T. Bauer. The Drum Major is Staff Sergeant Jeffrey Taylor. Company A is commanded by Captain Jamar S. Sherman from Philadelphia, Pennsylvania. First platoon is led by Drill Sergeant Donald Voda from Providence, Rhode Island. Second platoon is led by Drill Sergeant Veronica Green from Miami, Florida. Third platoon is led by Drill Sergeant Joshua Wright from Boise, Idaho. Fourth platoon is led by Drill Sergeant Levi Perez from Tucson, Arizona. Company B is Captain Roberto Ortiz from San Juan, Puerto Rico. First platoon is led by Drill Sergeant Tracy Northington from Honolulu, Hawaii. Second platoon is led by Drill Sergeant Kevin Marquez from Cataño, Puerto Rico. 3rd Platoon is led by Drill Sergeant Jonathan Marrero from San Juan, Puerto Rico. 4th Platoon is led by Drill Sergeant Daryl Edwards from Summerville, South Carolina. In the rear of the formation is 1st Sergeant Jonathan A. Parker from St. Louis, Missouri. Ladies and gentlemen, you're reminded that as you are approached by the American flag, it is appropriate to rise and remain standing until it has passed to your right. Company C is commanded by Captain Mark J. Sudlow from Cleveland, Ohio. 1st Platoon is led by Drill Sergeant Kenneth Wright from Fairbanks, Alaska. 2nd Platoon is led by Drill Sergeant Elise Didion from Placerville, California. 3rd Platoon is led by Drill Sergeant Ashley Adams from Washington, D.C. 4th Platoon is led by Drill Sergeant Kendrick Owahi from Albuquerque, New Mexico. And the rear of the formation is 1st Sergeant Jason Hughes from Quincy, Illinois. Company D is commanded by Captain Hippolytus Agu from Texas. 1st Platoon is led by Drill Sergeant Jaleesa Rentas from Whittier, California. Second Platoon is led by Drill Sergeant Stephen McKinney from Haight, Colorado. Third Platoon is led by Drill Sergeant Alana Barnes from Lafayette, Louisiana. Fourth Platoon is led by Drill Sergeant Anthony Sanchez from the Bronx, New York.
Third row up. Second
In the rear of the formation is Sergeant First Class Jonathan Correa from Cali, Colombia.
Ladies and gentlemen, please be seated.
Company E is commanded by Captain William I. Jung from Valencia, California. First Platoon is led by Drill Sergeant Daryl Davis II from Columbia, South Carolina. Second Platoon is led by Drill Sergeant Joseph Morrissey from Compton, California. Third Platoon is led by Drill Sergeant Andre Jenkins from Charleston, South Carolina. Fourth Platoon is led by Drill Sergeant Nicole Manley from San Antonio, Texas. In the rear of the formation is First Sergeant George O. Harrison from Katy, Texas. Please stand for the Army song and please remain in the bleachers until the conclusion of the ceremony has been announced.
Stand up straight with your shoulders back when you march.
That's when you're in attention.
Having him supposed to be standing up straight, shoulders back. There he is.
You better go, girl.
gentlemen, this concludes today's ceremony. Family members of awardees, please meet your soldier under the canopy located to the left of the bleachers. All other family and friends, please meet your soldiers to the far right of the bleachers at the end of this parade field. Please take all trash and personal items with you as you exit. Once again, thank you for your attendance. Enjoy the rest of your day and have a safe journey home. Victory!
Oh, you're up by the bleachers. Yeah, we come over here by where y'all got on the bus. By the gate. You gotta clean tonight. I'm trying not to now.